What is this? It's on Google Maps. It's just bothering me. What is it? I don't know, but we'll soon find out. So here we are, still in northern Spain. Even though it looks like we're somewhere tropical, maybe Hawaii, it's not Hawaii. It's very cold water. So don't let the pretty blue color deceive you. Not far from here is a location that we wound up finding on Google Maps. But along the way, we did find something else that was abandoned that caught our interest. So we decided to stop, pull over, and show you guys this as well. So on the drive up to the location, we found this restaurant, which has been abandoned for quite a bit. Now remember this restaurant, because this place, Royal 2, has actually moved, and there's a Royal 3 that we're going to show you later on the video. Definitely worth stopping for dinner. It was definitely great, great priced as well. I can't stop raving about that place. So right in front of this restaurant, the Royal 2, is that blue water that we saw earlier, that cut between the two mountains. Right across is all that waterway that you see in the distance. So here we are. We are starting to get to the area. It is right off the road. Immediately when you see this place off the road, it's weird. It's kind of like, I want to say an amusement park. I'm not sure if it's an old amusement park or not, but it has that appearance to it. Now, out in front, there are these two shrines. I decided to record them so that way you guys can see what's in front. Like I said, this is in northern Spain, so as soon as we go in, it's interesting. There's this wooden bridge, this wooden structure. Looks like a pirate boat. I'm not really sure what it is, but we're going to explore this kind of together, and I'll let you guys decide. And let me know in the comments what you think this was. Was it an old theme park? Maybe it was something else? I have no clue. I'm just discovering this for the first time. This windmill area, I believe, was a restaurant. As we go through the windmill, you'll see different parts of it, and to me it has that restaurant vibe. So as we leave the restaurant, you're going to see some cows. But there's the answer to the question. There's that brown thing that we saw on Google. The reason why I used the drone on this location is because of the livestock. I did not want to get close to the animals. I did not want to invade their ground. And I think that was a smarter idea when I saw the cows in the pasture. Here's another area that I didn't quite see on Google Maps, but it was interesting because it was also round in shape, but it looks like it's been weathered. It's been abused by the elements. It's just interesting to see this. I still have no idea what this would have been for. Maybe it's some kind of lounge area. It is really interesting to see this. So now we make our way back to the round thing. It is not the way it was when we saw it on Google. It's missing a lot of its pieces. It's kind of like a teepee. I want to say a wooden teepee, but it is missing a lot. And now we're heading back towards the restaurant. Now, when you leave the restaurant, there's this wooden ship that we saw in the beginning, and this is the top part. And soon we're going to go from the top part to the bottom part. I just want to show you coming from the restaurant. This is the bottom part. What it looks like throughout this part of the park or the amusement. Now we're going to go through all these little rope bridges, and they've been so beaten up by time that, yeah, there's no way I would have possibly been able to walk on that safely. And it's just interesting, so much time has passed between the, I believe this is closed. The overgrowth is taking over. Definitely an interesting find here in the northern part of Spain. So this place is definitely interesting to see. There's so much to see. I really wish I would have been able to get back there by foot and been okay. And most likely I would have, but just the livestock really was the ultimate decision on why I wanted to pick the drone. Just look at this. There's a bridge behind some of those other parts. It's kind of like a maze. It's very easily confusing, and I'm pretty sure you can get lost within this area. Very fun. If you guys do want me to revisit, I would possibly revisit. So let me know if you want me to revisit in the comments, and I will do a revisit on this location. So remember I told you earlier that we were going to go to Royal 3. Well, this is Royal 3. Definitely worth the stop. They have so much food, sandwiches and desserts, and everything's homemade. That is one huge eclair. That thing is huge. Yeah. And then you got these. And then you got the regular eclairs back there. If you're really hungry, these things are huge. These things here. It's all. Look what they're famous for. Palmeras de chocolate. These are regular size palmera. And the huge ones.
Did you see the whistles?
We got this right here. The lomo queso. What did you get? Tortilla de chorizo. Queso, right?
Okay.
And then for dessert, all these like little eclair things there. You really, I think I really wanted to try one. Yes. So I'm gonna put into this one. Go to chocolate. Look at that. I want to put into that one here. Nice.
Got it.
Look at that. So this one's got cream, custard cream. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. And this one, that's chocolate. Yep. Really good. This is our dinner. We're really close by.